Hello, I'm Oz. I live in the United States. How everybody doing? I'm doing very well. And today I am in the kitchen again. In fact, I'm in the kitchen every day, especially for supper. I cook supper every day. And for today menu, there are the first dish. I'm gonna do stir fry pork ball with the Thai chili paste in the oil, and then second dish I will do stir fry broccoli and shrimp, which I will use 2 pans as you see here. I am pouring the sesame oil into both pans and wait for the heat. During waiting, I cut the ingredient pork ball, shrimp, and vegetable. Ready? For the broccoli, normally I see many people suggest that boil in hot water for a short while and then knock in cold water to keep crunch and green. Okay, ready for the first pan. Start with the shrimp, and then the second pan start with pork ball. Both meat in both pans now. Then after stir a little bit and cook well. Yeah, look well. I add vegetable to both pans. Oh, okay. This one I add chili paste in oil first. This chili paste tastes not spicy, little sweet, and then I pour all the vegetable which are mushroom, sweet pepper, and onion. That's it, and no seasoning at all because the chili paste tastes that enough for me. But you can add more soy sauce, pepper, or sugar if you want to. And then for broccoli and shrimp stir fry, take the broccoli in and then seasoning with oyster sauce little bit, sugar little bit, and then soy sauce little bit, and taste it as you like if you try. And I add little wine, cooking wine, and then I cover the lid which I took from the pork ball stir fry pan. Just cover it for a short while and then turn off the stove. Now ready to serve for the both dishes. Ta-da! So delicious for me, but I don't know if you like it. My husband doesn't like them. Okay, thank you for watching. Take good care and happy meal. Bye bye.